Good morning, grade 8. We are going to complete the explanation of the lesson that we have started earlier. We were talking about different types of energy, and we already learned about kinetic, potential, and mechanical, and how to calculate each one of them. Now, we're going to learn about thermal energy or heat. The thermal energy is the energy of the heat in an object. So whenever you have heat, it means you have thermal energy. Thermal energy is often referred to as heat. The thermal energy of matter depends on how fast the atoms or molecules are moving. The faster they are moving, the more thermal energy they possess. Therefore, the temperature of the matter would be higher. So, this type of energy depends on the speed of the atoms or molecules. If they move faster, they will have more temperature or energy. Chemical energy. This type of energy is the energy found in the chemical bonds, like food, gas, batteries, or when we burn the wood or other stuff. So whenever you eat food, you are breaking chemical bonds and you will have chemical energy released. The same thing for gas and batteries. So chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds like atoms and molecules. This energy is released when a chemical reaction takes place. Usually, once chemical energy has been released from a substance, that substance is transformed into a completely new substance. And you can't go back, you can't bring the first one. Now, we have electrical energy. This energy is related to the electric charges, which are the electrons. So, electrical energy is caused by moving electric charges called electrons. The faster the charges move, the more electrical energy they carry. As the charges that cause the energy are moving, electrical energy is a form of kinetic energy. As we learned in the previous lesson that kinetic energy is the energy of any object that is moving. So since we can't have electrical energy unless we have electrical charges moving, it means electrical energy is a type of kinetic energy. Lightning, batteries, and even electric eels are examples of electric energy in action. Nuclear energy. This type of energy is stored in the nucleus of an atom, and it's released when the atoms are split or joined together. Nuclear reactors, atomic bombs, stars, and the sun are examples of the nuclear energy. So, nuclear energy is a source of power which is created from energy released by a nuclear reaction. Electromagnetic energy, light energy, X-rays, radio waves. So this is the energy given by electromagnetic radiation. It's a form of kinetic energy since the particles are moving as they carry light, heat, and radiation from one source to another source. Electromagnetic radiation is all around us in a variety of forms, but it's most often released as normal light. Sound energy. This is the energy produced when sound waves move outward from a vibrating object or sound source. These waves are sources of pressure that move through air, water, or other materials like metal or wood. So when you have any sound, it means the waves are holding the sound and moving. This is why you have sound energy. Seismic energy. When an earthquake occurs, the shock waves of released energy that shake the earth and temporarily turn soft deposits such as clay into jelly, this is liquefaction, are called seismic wave.